The Magic Pizza. Once upon a time in a small town, there was a little pizzeria called Mamma Mia's. It was famous for its delicious pizza. The owner, Mamma Mia, was a kind old lady with a big smile. She loved to make pizza for everyone. One sunny afternoon, a boy named Luca walked into the pizzeria. He was very hungry and wanted to eat something special. Mamma Mia saw him and said, "Hello, Luca. Would you like to try my magic pizza?" "Magic pizza?" Luca asked, his eyes wide with curiosity. "Yes," Mamma Mia replied. "This pizza has special ingredients. It can make you feel happy and full of energy." Luca was excited. He sat at a small table and watched Mamma Mia work. She rolled the dough, spread the sauce, and added fresh cheese and colorful vegetables. She sang a happy song as she cooked. When the pizza was ready, Mamma Mia brought it to Luca. It smelled amazing. As he took his first bite, a warm feeling filled his heart. He felt happier than ever. He finished the whole pizza and thanked Mamma Mia. "Do you feel the magic?" she asked with a wink. "Yes," Luca shouted with joy. "Can I come back tomorrow?" "Of course," Mamma Mia smiled. Every pizza has a little magic in it. From that day on, Luca visited Mamma Mia every week. They became good friends, and he always left with a happy heart and a full stomach. The magic pizza brought joy to everyone in the small town.